guys, my name is Alexandra. I am one of your leasing consultants here to show you how to use our barbecue grill. The way that you'll start is first, please make sure all of the gas knobs are going to be in the vertical off position. After that, you can come on over here to the gas flow timer and turn it clockwise, to whatever desired time you like, whether it's 30 minutes, 60 minutes, your choice. After that, then you'll just turn the gas knobs to the high position. Once they're in the high position, you'll hear the gas turn on. After the gas turns on, you can push this igniter here. You'll hear it click, the flame will turn on. Let it run its course for about a minute or so. When you're ready, then press the knobs inside the gas knobs and turn them to the adjusted temperature you would like. After you're done with the grill, turn all of these back to the vertical position here and let the timer run its course. Once it's done, the grill is okay to close. Please keep in mind and do not turn this counterclockwise, as that could result in damage, and we definitely don't want that. Thank you guys so much.